So everyone I talk to about the laser welder doesn't believe any of the videos they see online. They think it's some sort of editing trick or some sort of hocus pocus, and it's not that easy. There's no way. So in a single shot, I wanted to take the laser welder and I wanted to weld two random pieces of metal. So we got this guy here, and we're just gonna butt this guy up right here. What I'm gonna do, so I'm gonna take the laser welder and I'm just gonna hit it in that corner, and I'm just gonna give it a little tack so it doesn't move while I'm talking. So we're gonna do a single bead across these two right here, right now. Good clean bead. Strong. And yeah, it's really that easy.